Khabisi Mosunkuthu will receive a provincial official funeral. This is reserved for individuals who've made an immense and significant contribution to the country. The 69-year-old passed away on the eve of Christmas, surrounded by his family.
Arriving in their numbers to pay their last respect, the Gauteng ANC top brass, led by its Treasurer General, Paul Mashatile. Mashatile described Khabisi Mosunkuthu's death as a great loss. He described him as a resilient leader who held highly the values of the party. The 69-year-old Mosunkuthu suffered a stroke in July.
Comrade Khabs was a cadre of our movement through and through. Very committed member of our movement, a hard worker. We will always remember him as a hard-working comrade, committed to the liberation of our people, but also committed to bring a better life as we worked with him in the public service.
The ANC in the province says it will hold a memorial service on Friday. During apartheid, Mosunkuthu was a member of the Soweto Civic Association, United Democratic Front in the then Southern Transvaal. He also served Umkhonto weSizwe.
We really believe he really deserves that kind of a funeral, that kind of a stature, because his contribution, firstly when he was still within the trade union movements, the underground structures of the African National Congress, as a member of the People's Army, and as a key member of the UDF, and also those that established the provincial government that we have now.
Khabisi Mosunkuthu's widow Nonkaba urged the ANC leadership to make sure that hospitals in the province should provide services. She was referring to an incident that took place in Chris Hani Baragwana Hospital, where her late husband was allegedly refused treatment.
We are not doing well here, more especially in the health sector. You know, I'm talking about it because when such things happen, I'm asking myself, if this can happen to this person, what more an ordinary person? And I pride myself by saying, for the past 40 years in the health sector, I've never had a complaint from a community member. And once a small child, does something like this to an old man who is sick, who doesn't say, because I'm so and so, help me. Let's hope it will never happen again. It will never happen.
Mosunkuthu will be buried next week. Ntlantla Khatlane, SABC News, Johannesburg.